welcome, come along to Teacher Tutors where we belong. Learning ABCs, let's sing and play. Count with us every day. Letters, numbers, arts and crafts. Join the fun and make some.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Tutors. Today we are excited to begin exploring numbers with our book.
Count with us, a journey into numbers.
Come along.
The number 16. This is the word 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. A 1 and a 6 is the number 16. Now we're going to go ahead and box all of the numbers in our circle that are the number 16. So 3, 16, go ahead and box that. 1, 2, 13, 16, box your number 16, 12, 15, yes, 16, box number 16. Oh, here's another one, another 16. Go ahead and box it. 3, 4, yes, 16. We get to box it. 16. 3, 15, 15, 16. Go ahead and box it. 8, 1, 16. Did you see that one? Of course you did. 1, 14, up. 16, 16, 16. Go ahead and say it. 16. Put that box around it. And of course, number 12. So I'm going to go ahead, erase my board, and I'm going to go on to the next page. You flip yours too. Now, we are going to go ahead and count the pictures that represent the number 16. And then we're going to go ahead and draw our line to number 16. Now, remember how we count, because it's starting to be a bunch of pictures, and we don't want to lose count, and we don't want to skip any pictures. So we're going to draw a line on each of the pictures so that we make sure we are counting correctly. You can also put a strike through if you would like. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got so close, but we need the number 16. Are you counting with me? Come on, let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We only have 6 flowers. We need 16. Let's go over here to these pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 pencils, 16 pencils. All right, let's draw our line. Watch the kitty cat. Down to number 16. All right, let's come over here and count the airplanes. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 planes, 16 planes. All right, let's draw our line from the planes to 16. Now we have to count the kitty cat. 1. We only have one kitty cat. We know that's not 16. Let's move on to the beach balls. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 beach balls. 16 beach balls. Draw your line like I did. Draw your line from the beach balls to the number 16. I know you were counting with me. I'm going to go ahead and erase my board. And I want you to flip to that next page. Now we get to color. We are going to color only the number 16. That's a 1 and a 6 together in the same square. 15, 14, 16. We got that 1 and that 6 together. That makes 16. All right, 15, 16. Go ahead and color it in. You can color it all the way in if you want. All right. Ooh, another 16. Let's color. All right. 15, 18, 16. Color number 16. Color number 16. All right, the next one. 4, 16 again. Go ahead and color it. 9, 16. Yes. Color it in. Keep counting with me. Number 1. 16. Yes. 15. 16. Color it in. Let's keep going. 25. 17. 15. I found all the 16s and I know you did too. Your page must look like mine's. I know it does. Let's go on to the next page. You know I gotta erase my board, so that's what I'm going to do first. Ooh, now is our time to continue to count together. So we are going to count the dots to number 16. Remember, that is the word 16. All right, let's count these dots together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go over to the next one. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Thank you for counting with me to the number 16. I'll see you with the next number.